Are you planning to move from San Antonio to Austin? Whether you're looking for a fresh start, a new job opportunity, or simply a change of scenery, your next move is important. And for that, you need a trusted, reliable moving company to handle the job. That's where 3 Movers comes in. At 3 Movers, we specialize in long-distance moves between San Antonio and Austin. We're a professional moving company offering everything you need for a seamless relocation, from packing and moving to storage solutions and more. Moving is never easy, but with 3 Movers, you can rest assured that your belongings are in good hands. Our experienced movers are licensed and insured, and we've built a reputation as one of the best moving companies in Texas. Looking for an affordable moving company to help with your San Antonio to Austin move? Look no further. We offer transparent, affordable pricing based on your specific needs. For most moves between San Antonio and Austin, prices typically range between $1,500 to $4,500. While the distance is just 79 miles, the final price depends on several factors. Larger homes or more belongings may require multiple trucks or more labor. Specialized services like packing can add to your cost as well. Don't waste time with companies that don't listen to your needs. With 3 Movers, we take the time to understand your unique situation and provide you with a personalized moving plan. Finding the right moving company is key to a successful move. Here are a few tips to make sure you pick the best movers for your San Antonio to Austin relocation. Ready to get started? 3 Movers is just a call away. Call us at 888-202-0036 or visit our website to get your free quote today. Let's make your San Antonio to Austin move stress-free.